Hey there, foodies! Are you tired of the never-ending dinner dilemma? Standing in front of the fridge or the grocery store aisle, staring at all those options and still thinking, what's for dinner? Well, I've got a solution that's going to change your life. Introducing EveryPlate, America's best value meal kit. Click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount and start saving today. Alright, let's break it down. The first thing you need to know about EveryPlate is the price. It's insanely affordable. We're talking meal kits starting at just $2.99 per serving. That's right, less than your morning coffee. And if you act now, you can get your first box for just $1.99 per meal. Seriously, click the link below. But wait, there's more. EveryPlate is all about making your life easier. Their mission? To provide accessible and affordable home-cooked meals without compromising on taste or convenience. They deliver everything you need right to your door. No more endless trips to the grocery store. Now, I hear you asking, what's the catch? There's gotta be a catch, right? Well, here's the scoop. EveryPlate focuses on classic comfort foods that are easy to prepare and super delicious. Perfect for busy families, students, or anyone on a budget. Think hearty pastas, savory stir-fries, and juicy burgers. Yum. But let's talk about the not-so-perfect stuff. Some folks have mentioned smaller portion sizes, especially when it comes to protein. And sure, there might be occasional ingredient quality issues. But hey, nobody's perfect, right? Customer service? Yeah, it can be hit or miss sometimes. But for the price, it's hard to beat. So, how does EveryPlate stack up against the competition? Let's see. Dinnerly offers similar pricing, but more seafood options. Blue Apron is pricier with gourmet recipes. HelloFresh, EveryPlate's parent company, has more variety but costs more. And Purple Carrot caters to plant-based diets. But EveryPlate? It's all about value. In conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable, convenient way to enjoy home-cooked meals, EveryPlate is your go-to. Delicious, satisfying, and won't break the bank. Remember, click the link in the description below to get started for just $1.99 per meal. Transform your weeknights with EveryPlate. You'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below, grab your discount, and start enjoying the best value meal kit in America. Until next time, happy cooking!